All right, everybody, this is lesson 5. We're going to build us a house on the water. I'm not in the right spot. I need you to go back to your dashboard, go to Schoology, click here, get your video in picture so you're ready to work here and here. You're going to click your classes, then your class period right here. I've got to click here. And then you'll click activities, lesson 5. Create new design, 3D design. Need a solid block first, and we want that solid block to be 3 millimeters tall. We want that solid block to be 125 millimeters long and 125 millimeters wide. I want you to put your ground platform at 0, 0 is fine right there. All right, try to get it centered, but it doesn't be super centered. Now, okay, I want you to change this to ground color. And I want you to bring in this round roof is what it's called. I want you to spin around like we did in the last activity. Come over here and get at the side where you can grab these handles and turn this 90 degrees. Now we're going to have to spin it 180 degrees this way. All right. Then, this thing's a pain. Got to bring it up to 0. And next, we are going to bring it down to 3. I was going to make it lower, but I don't know if we can. All right, let's come over here to this corner here. Right. Let's pick it up to 1. All right. Now, let's make this touch both edges. How far it comes out can be up to you. I just want it to resemble water. And looks like I need to spin that one more time. Right. All right. Now, bring a cylinder over, please. Let's make the cylinder dark brown. And the cylinder needs to be 2 by 2. All right. I want you to bring this cylinder, leave it on the ground, put it right there. It is 20 tall. Let's leave it there. Click your cylinder that is anywhere in the water. Okay. Let's bring it here. Click your cylinder that is anywhere in the water and duplicate it. Click out of it, makes it easier. Then you can grab the duplicated cylinder and let's set it 15 millimeters apart is what it's saying. Oh, shoot. Undo. Undo. Click out. I'm going to move it 15 millimeters. All right. Leave that like that and hit that again. Click out. Move it 15 millimeters. Let's go make sure, yeah, they're pretty straight. Now, do this. Click this one. Hold shift down. Click this one. Keep holding shift down. Click this one. Come click duplicate. Don't click out of it this time. Point at your log. Make sure you don't touch any of the handles. If you touch any of the handles and move stuff, just click undo and come back. Left click, hold down. Look at this. We're going to move it 15. All right. One more time. Duplicate. And it might auto-fill it for you. Okay. So I have a 30 by 30 area up here that we're going to put a house on. So let's come here and we will say click here, and we know we need to be 30 millimeters by 30 millimeters. And we're going to run this guy right over here. All right. A little bit skewed here. Hold on. All right. Let's get them lined up. That might be challenging. All right. These aren't lined up well. So I'm going to have to do that myself. I'm going to do here and 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 here. Is that better? Yeah. All right. Make your box big enough to cover the pylon. All right. Now, click your box. Once your box covers your pylons, let's raise it. But we don't want to raise it up past the pylons that it's sitting on, right? So here, and here, and let's get us a roof. Raise it. Here, here, here. All right. Now, we need to make some windows. 5, 5. All right. 90. All right. I want 4 windows, 2 in the front, 1 on each side. So there's duplicate. Uh-oh. Thought I duplicated it. I did. All right. Here. We need a door. Here. We make our doors about 12, I think, usually. I can't remember. Let's see in a minute. Oh, that's a little tall, it looks like. Yeah, I mean, 7 by 12 looks all right. Let's make it, if you make it 2, that does give you some room to push it in to the wall. So you could do that if you wanted to. I'm going to make the door like that. And let's get it up there. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is click this, shift here, and then I'm going to click the wall. So I clicked both windows and the wall, and now I got some windows. We did not hollow out the inside of this house, and we're going to go ahead and do that. Sorry, guys. Bring that roof out your way. Come over here. We have to practice this because this is important. Click here. Remember, we duplicate. We're going to use each of the 4 size handles in black. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Click out. Click your box. Get you a good angle where you can click the outside box. You used to see shapes too. Click hold and undo that. Take your box and pull your transparent box up 2 so you don't fall into the water. Then hit shift there. That way you're going to have a floor. All right. Now we have these funky windows, but that's okay. Drop it back down. Okay. Your challenge is to make a way for people to get from your door to the ground. Your challenge now, once it's like this, is to make a method for folks to get from here to here to the best of your ability. Y'all please be good for the sub. Have a good day. I will see you tomorrow on Happy Friday.